Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And now we will have our unboxing from Shein. So before we continue our vlog, let me first to introduce myself, my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification button bell so that you can alerted every time that I have upload. So let us see. So continues our vlog. This is from Shein, guys. I ordered this one last 2 weeks ago. So and now I'm excited this item. To see this item, I'm so excited, guys. Charan! Wow, very nice. Wow, so nice. This is sleepwear. So this is a sleepwear, guys. So I really like this. This is a lace. So look at, so nice. I love the color is yellow. Wow, yellow color, and yeah, it's nice clothes. It's very smooth and fresh. Oh, it's so nice. So I like the style. So this one, so nice. And of course there's also what is this, underwear. Wow, I like the underwear. It's so nice. Look at the front and the back, so very nice. The size is medium size. So yeah, and let's try on. Hold on everyone, guys, to try on hold. And this one is nice, so nice. Very nice, guys. It's so nice. I really like the color. And this is for chubby sleepwear. It's very nice. So thank you for watching, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.